What's going on, guys? I'm here to tell you guys about my partnership with Graded Guard. So what Graded Guard is essentially a phone case for your slabs, so you can drop them and not worry about it being cracked. Also, they are very stackable and they are colorful to look at as well. Obviously, we have PSAs, they have CGCs and BGS. So whatever color you want and whatever size you want, they got it all. So right now, if you guys use my promo code GMFIRED, you guys will get 20% off your order. So click down below in the description at gradedguard.us and get your Graded Guard slabs, cause we are friends and I hook my friends up. So deals on wheels, guys. Let's get your Graded Guards. What's up, friends and family? How are y'all doing today? Good morning. Another weekend, another grind in another city. So this week we are going to Huntsville, Alabama for a one-day car show. Supposedly it is a pretty big one-day car show, about 200 plus tables. I believe this is the first time doing something like this, so we are going to check it out. It is about 6:12 a.m. Eastern time right now, and Huntsville should be about 3 hours, give or take, from where I am. And if I'm not mistaken, I think they are in Central Time, so I should get an hour back going there. So if everything goes out correctly, it should be a 3-hour drive, so I should be there at around 8:30 or 9 o'clock Central Time. But we will see. Last week went to Nashville, cashed out a lot of my lower end stuff, well, like lower end, mid end stuff. So we got some spending money, so let's see what we can do. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I probably sold a lot of my cars for a little bit less than what I can get for it, but that's what happens when you do a cash out. You move it in bulk. Those are some of the stuff that has been sitting around for a few months now. They're nice cars, but they're just like too unique, so has to find the right person. I'm fine with moving all those stuff, but the Trevor Lawrence stuff, honestly, I kind of regretted it, but it is what it is. We move on. My goal is to get some basketballs. I'm trying to get into some lower end, like under $50 raw cards, preferably autographs and patches and stuff. So let's try to hit up those value boxes, and of course we'll see what we can do. I brought 2 big card with me. It's a Joe Burrow out 15 flawless RPA and a gold auto veteran ticket out 10 on card auto of Luka Doncic. So let's see if we can move those, and let's get fired up. Woo! Alright guys, we just made it here to Huntsville, Alabama for the one-day car show. Mostly just looking to buy right now, but I got 3 cards with me that we can trade. So just picked this up last week. It's a F1 car, Mex Aqua PSA 10 Pop 1 out of 99. So see how we do on that. And we got the Luka Doncic gold on card auto out of 10. Beautiful card. And we got the flawless out of 15 RPA. Pretty nice. So we got those for trade today. Let's see what we do. What I'm trying to pick up today is mostly basketballs. Hopefully I can get some PC cards, like some Lakers autos, game use patches. That would be fun. I'm always picking up basketball autos, mainly some like newer guys like Edwards and stuff like that. I like that. But we're mostly looking for value plays, guys. Today, value. I need some $50 and under cards. So let's see what we can do. So apparently there's a sport car show and a sport card show here. So we're looking for it still. But I'm gonna go in there and check out some cars first. But this is hilarious. So they pointed us this way. I said baseball card show. And they're like, yeah, go in here. Well, I don't see any baseball cards. I see sport cars. It's pretty cool though. Actually never been to a sport car or a car show at all. But they're usually parked outside of like a mall or something. I smell tires and oil. What do they do here? They just like park their cars and just look to show off their cars. How's it going?
Good, how are you today?
Good, how are you?
Beautiful.
So what do people do here with cars? Do they just like show it off, or do they like buy, trade, sell? Or?
Hey, well, some of them buy and trade and sell, but most of them are showed off. Enough money and you can buy a car here.
Yeah? Do people...
I'm here recruiting for Mazda Toyota.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, we're hiring for all positions, so
oh, cool.
I'm here recruiting for maintenance.
Oh,
I
yeah?
think a lot of maintenance guys will show up today, so I'm trying to get some maintenance guys.
Where's your factory located?
Greenbrier Road,
okay.
over in Madison. Door 5565, section 3.
Okay. Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
So I'm here for the like sport card show, like baseball cards and basketball and football.
Yeah.
They said come in here, but wrong sport card.
You're right. This is the sport cars that people pay big money for.
I don't know. Do people pay $1 million for a car?
Yeah.
Here?
Oh yeah.
What's like the most expensive car you've seen sold at a car show?
I don't know. I haven't been to many of these inside like this. A lot of these other folks have. I'm just trying to recruit.
Oh yeah?
Recruit folks, yeah.
This is awesome.
Yep.
Alright, thank you sir, appreciate it.
Have a good day.
Thanks.
Yes, sir.
There's some Lamborghinis in here, there's some Mustangs, Cobras. It's pretty cool. GTRs and stuff like that. It's a nice room in here. How's it going?
Good morning.
I like your sign.
Oh, thank you.
Nice. So how much is it to like come here and set up a card?
The entry fee went about $40.
Like for you
Yeah.
to come here, it's like $40.
Yeah, but now getting the car ready was a lot more, right?
Yeah. So, what's like the purpose of like these car shows?
It's mainly for the benefit for the kids.
Oh yeah, that's awesome. This is like a
That's
charity
the reason
show
I
or
do it,
something.
You know, and a lot of this is benefiting for the kids.
Oh yeah, that's awesome. I'm here for a sport, like baseball card show.
Oh, okay.
And they told us to come in here, but I think they mistaken card with cards.
Oh.
But we're still looking for it. It's should have been the East Hall. Is this not the East Hall?
No, this is the South Hall. The East Hall will be on around the corner.
Oh,
And
okay.
yeah, they do have, they should
Okay.
have it there.
That's awesome. But I mean, this is my first time seeing a car show, so I might as well check it out. Don't you guys usually have it like outside in a parking lot and like the mall or something like that?
Yeah, they do have a lot of them outdoors, but this one they just If you they used to have the World of Wheels.
Okay.
And then there's this kind of the same where they bring them inside to do it.
That's cool. I mean, the lighting looks good. I mean, it looks clean, but the smell though, like.
Oh yes. Yeah, they shouldn't. Yeah, they shouldn't be running them in here.
Yeah, that's so awesome.
Here in a little bit, they once all the cars in here, you can't start your car or nothing like that.
Yeah. So is this your car?
Yes.
Can you tell me something about it? Like, what year is it? Like
it's a 2018 GT350.
Okay.
And I've done quite a bit to it. Wheels, tires, painted it. So normally right here's the factory one. This one right here is all factory.
Is this one yours as well?
Yeah. Well, no, this is a friend of mine.
Oh, okay.
This one's factory, and he hasn't done anything to it. And so I put wheels and tires, and I put little things here and there.
Yeah.
To make it blue. I painted the calipers. Painted the calipers, put the lights underneath the hood, just different little things for Cobra.
Did you buy it brand new or?
I bought this used from somebody.
Okay. How long have you had this?
I've had it for almost 3 years now.
3 years now? That's awesome.
Once again, as you're getting kind of situated and get your
How much did this run you when you bought it?
65,000, and
make sure you have
tires and wheels. I've probably got about 80 into it now.
Is it like worth more now than when you bought it?
Yes. Yes, since the inflation.
Yeah.
I could get probably about 75.
They just did some pre-judging last night, but they will continue with their judging today.
How many horsepower does this have?
It's got 650. It came factory with 526.
For the vehicles
with the cold air and the mods that I put on it, I'm pushing 650.
As we're still trying to get
wow,
more
awesome.
vehicles parked. But thank you so much for coming today.
Cool. All right, thank you. Appreciate it.
It was
Nice
good
talking
meeting
to you. Yeah, you too. I think they put all the muscle cars and stuff, or all the same brand cars next to each other. I don't know. Looks like they got all the Shelbys over there together. It's a big room, very bright. There's a Ferrari over there. Looks like a GTR Skyline. Lamborghini, cool. Rolls Royce. Very nice. Oh, it's a two-door Rolls. That Ford GT. I think this is the car that John Cena got in trouble for because he sold it. Apparently John Cena got sued by Ford because he sold his GT Ford. That's a cool chrome car. Some old school cars. That's cool. It's a pretty big venue. Man, that is unique. Man, that is look at that. They got a carpet. They built this thing here. That's so cool. Talk about presentation. They say Corvettes. I don't know too much about cars, but I mean, I like the Fast and Furious. yeah, it's pretty cool. But we're here for business, so first thing first, let's go find the venue for the car show, and we might come back here in a little bit. But first thing first, let's go look for the venue. Finally, we found it. It's a pretty decent sized venue. That's where that is. The boys are here. What's up?
What's up, dude?
How's it
You
going?
didn't happen to bring cases, did you?
I'm
saw your text.
getting the cases. Yeah, I think I got so right off the bat we got some vintage here. You guys know that I'm trying to get into the vintage market. So it is 8:45-ish right now. Vendors are still setting up. That's a cool gold vinyl Justin Fields right there. Is that one out to aisle 5 or aisle 10? Oh, one. Aisle 5. That's awesome. But unfortunately, he has the worst yardage percentage since like 100 years or something.
Hey, go away with that, man.
Cool car though. Some value box. So this might be a play here, but you know, mostly just looking for autos and rookie numbers and game used patches. Those are my favorite, and preferably basketball and a little bit of football, but preferably basketball. Kyler Murray, pretty cool, just out in the open.
Video everything, huh?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Chief? Hey, how y'all doing?
Documenting.
Somebody was saying that you might have more shows up here.
You know, sir, all baseball.
Roll Tide.
Supposed to have a dude signing here. I'm gonna get him to sign a chocolate.
Oh yeah. Hello.
Yeah.
How much is this? Trevor Lawrence.
120.
Oh, it's 120. Oh, okay. I thought that was said out of 20.
Yeah, I know. I got a lot where I did that, so I know.
Oh, okay, okay. Cool.
Yeah. I was sure hoping for a better grade than that, though.
Yeah. It's not numbered, right?
No, that's retail.
Okay.
Out of the same box, I pulled the light blue Trevor and that gems. I mean, Trey, my bad.
Lance. Yeah.
Which, of course, 2 weeks ago would have been worth almost double.
Yeah. Pop
That's
13
alright.
though.
Yeah, it's a great card. This is my newest one that I submitted.
How much is that?
I'm asking $5,000. It's out of 99.
5K or?
5,000, yeah. There's raw ones that they're asking more than $5,000 for.
What's the raw comping for? Do you know?
The raw comp,
Yes.
the only comp actually is a 9, and it's like $3,900,
Okay.
and that was kind of before season.
Yeah.
So
What about this? What are you asking on that?
3,000. It's on card.
My buddy just got a bunch of that stuff in. He sent off.
Oh, that's a
to,
rookie.
What's that cool place where he's at Walmart and where's it? Target.
Yeah.
A bunch of select basketball.
Would you be interested in?
No.
Would you be interested in this by chance?
Select football.
Okay. It's gorgeous, man.
You into golf?
Not really. I'm trying to phase out.
I have a
little
guy
bit.
that he has the card and he has 2 boxes of.
So back here we got some cool memorabilia and autographs. Some cool frame picture of Muhammad Ali. Looks like a Derrick Henry jersey autograph. And they have a picture right there, so I'm assuming it might be a game use, maybe. Jalen Waddle, pretty cool. Acuna jersey. Stone Cold Auto, that's awesome. Acuna Auto. So here's the view of the back where they unload. Yeah, the show probably starts in like an hour or so let's see what happens. Get first dibs.
I'm all in.
Can I see it?
Of course.
So we're trying to get this curry from this gentleman here. It's hardballing me, man.
Big time.
So this on-card auto impeccable from 2016. He's interested in my Luca. I was at 6K, but he hammered me down to like 3K. What the heck?
30. Oh my God, it's
I get to keep the case too, right?
Of course.
Alright, 3K Curry and 2 credit.
Yes, sir.
Sounds good. What's your name, man?
Glenn O'Neill. Glenn Bob Sports Cards.
Alright, Facebook, right?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
I didn't want to like move right up.
I'm actually going to Dallas in 3 weeks too, so dang. Ah, beautiful. Let me take a look at this before it's gone. Lulu.
I would have known there was kids here. I would have brought the child.
It's a good deal. What do you guys think? I'm moving this, I'm getting this, and some cash and 200 trade. I think that's a good deal. So for the 200 credits, I was able to pick up this Kevin Garnett downtown BGS 9. Pretty cool. Alright guys, I just picked up this PSA 10 Dark Alakazam first edition. Pretty cool little pickup. Got from my boy AJ. Thanks for the deal, AJ. Sick. And his partner DJ. Pretty cool. Apparently this was DJ's like childhood card he kept in a binder and he got PSA 10. That is very impressive. Really cool. Into the collection. You know, I'm always picking up first edition Wizard of the Coast Pokemon cards. I feel like it's the best investments, but yeah, 2 deals so far. The show is starting in like a few hours, but I think we got another hour left before the show officially starts, so we'll see. Alright, so I just bought a whole bunch of tins from this gentleman, Pokemon tins. So how many is in there?
You got 35.
35.
Geller
And
Partners.
he also has 25 of these, so I might come back and see what I
Wholesale
can
prices.
do.
Can't beat it.
Good deal, good deal. Bam. Alright guys, I am moving my first F1 card, so I'm moving Max PSA 10 Sapphire out of 99. Very low pop. My first F1 card I just picked up last week. I am getting a PSA 10 light blue Mac Jones and some cash.
It's like a $5. I mean, it's like a $5.
Mac Jones is risky right now, but got good deals so I can't refuse. Thank you very much, sir. Appreciate it. Thank you. Pound it. Bam. Good deal. Awesome. The show is picking up now. It's 11:38. We've made a few deals already, so it's pretty good. For a one-day car show, it is pretty packed. I got the Joe Burrow left from what I showed you earlier. That's the only thing we have left. I got 3 or 4 people that are interested in it. They want me to do a lap and come back later. Hopefully we can move it. If not, no, I'm not too worried about holding it. Haven't seen any good value plays yet, but I'm still trying to pick up some basketballs. Got some pretty cool stuff. Got a first edition Dark Alakazam PSA 10 for my PC, so I'm pretty happy about that. But other than that, we'll see what happens. The thing the show closes at 5, so we got 5 hours left. Yeah, there's actually a lot of Pokemon here. There's about over 10 plus tables with Pokemon only, which is pretty surprising for a sport car show. There's a lot of collectibles like Funko Pops. So it's pretty cool. It's not just like a sport car show. It's like a collectible show.
You got 30 on both of us.
Alright, so Noe here is a coin. He doesn't trust my coin. What's going on? But so I am trying to trade my Mac Jones PSA 10 light blue prism for this Charles Giddy Dondres Auto PSA 9 and this Code Anthony.
We're gonna let Mark flip. Is that cool?
Alright, you gonna flip it, bro?
Yeah.
Alright, can I call it?
I'm gonna let you call it.
Okay, so it's the winners is either $50 or $100. So I called tails for $100. Alright, let's go. Let hit the floor.
Heads.
Ah, $50. You owe him that. You owe him lunch.
I told you that thing's lucky, huh? Yeah, that is
He kind of tried to throw it on me. I had to dodge that, so I think my
your wind.
my wind kind of blew it.
That was great.
Awesome. So I'm getting this and this and $50. Awesome. Good deal. Thank you, sir.
Absolutely.
Appreciate
That was fun.
it.
That was a lot of fun.
All right. So
right.
he's getting that
Getting this.
for his friend right there. He said he needed a friend for his tree land, so I pull out the Mac Jones. There we go. Yeah, I'm getting
Giddy
these.
and Cole.
And of course, got to throw in my sticker.
Both these guys
Awesome.
are hot. It's a
Thank
good
you.
deal.
Appreciate it. Appreciate it again, man.
Enjoyed it.
This
All
guy
right.
cost me $50, but hey, thanks for the flip. All right, guys, we just got done doing the Huntsville show. It was pretty good. It's my first time walking around in a while, so I had fun. Pretty much got rid of everything I wanted to get rid of, except for one card, Joe Burrow, which I don't mind holding since it's football season. And of course, I need a centerpiece for my case too, so I don't mind holding it a little bit. I had a lot of interest in it. It's just, I don't know, I guess it's a $5,000 to $1,000 card show. So we'll see. Next week we're going to Indiana for the Midwest Monster. Right now I just got done picking up some displays cases from my buddy. You guys know him as Divine Cards on Instagram. So you guys see what we got? So we got some displays cases from them. Pretty cool. We got about 11 last time, and this time I'm getting about 12. So we got a good amount of cases in here. We got a pretty good deal. You know, it's pretty good, so not bad at all. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and like, comment down below. It's good for algorithm. And please, if you haven't, give me a follow on Instagram at GMFIRED. Thank you so much. Fire